Hi, welcome to Story Time. This week's theme is socks. I got lots of new socks for Christmas this year. We're going to start off with our hello song. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we stomp and sing hello. Good job. Next, we're going to do the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Are you ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job. We're going to read some books, and I have a couple of flannel boards. So our first book is called Duck, Sock, Hop. And it was written by Jane Cahuth and illustrated by Jane Porter. And it is read with the permission of Dial Books for Young Readers. Ducks pull socks from a big sock box. Socks with stripes, socks with spots, stripes, socks with squares, and socks with dots. Socks with stars and socks with moons, socks with cars and socks with spoons. Ruffled, lacy, jeweled deluxe, left sock, right sock, socks on ducks. Warm up, wiggle, stretch your beak. Duck sock hop comes once a week. The mood is high, the sun is low, the music starts. Get ready, go! 3 ducks boogie, 1 duck rocks. 2 ducks stop and trade their socks. Ducks line up to dance in rows. They kick their feet and touch their toes. Ducks drop crumbs. Ducks spill juice, ducks get sticky, socks get loose. Holes appear in 3 sock heels. 2 cars lose their button wheels. 4 jewels scatter, 5 stripes sag. 1 duck's ruffles start to drag. Socks go stretch, socks go rip. Ducks teeter, tumble, twist, and trip. With a scratch, screech, bam, the music stops, and ducks fall down in big duck flops. Ducks get band-aids, ducks get snacks, they wave goodbye with happy quacks. Flocks of friends march down the street with empty box and bare duck feet. But soon enough, ducks want new socks. They fetch their friends and grab their box. They dance on down to the duck sock shop and count the days to the next sock hop. The end. Next, I have a sort of flannel board, and it's called 5 pairs of dirty socks. Oh no. 5 pairs of dirty socks on my bedroom floor. Mom washes the blue ones, and then there are 4. 4 pairs of dirty socks, they belong to me. Dad washes the yellow ones, and then there are 3. 3 pairs of dirty socks. What's a kid to do? Brother washes the red ones, and then there are 2. 2 pairs of dirty socks. I wear them when I run. Sister washes the striped pair, and then there is 1. 1 pair of dirty socks, 1 and only 1. I wash the last pair, and then there are none. No pairs of dirty socks. We washed them all today. But wait until tomorrow. More dirty socks are on the way. Okay, I have one of the games that I read about that use socks are to ask your kids to help you sort the socks when you get them out of the dryer. And one of the games that you can play is to separate the socks. And you take one sock and give your kids the other socks. And then you choose a sock and have them find the match to it. And then have them choose a sock and you find the match to it. The next book that I have is A Pair of Socks, and it was written by Stuart J. Murphy and illustrated by Lois Ehlert. And it is read with the permission of HarperCollins Publishing. A Pair of Socks. I'll never be worn. It doesn't seem fair. I'm missing my match. I'm not part of a pair. This one is stinky and grimy. And not quite like me. This one's sudsy and slimy. Not the same, I can see. This one's all warm and fluffy. Not just red and blue. This one's folded and puffy, but spots are wrong too. I've been grabbed by the pup. His basket's not far. I was going to give up, but here you are. I finally found you, but my heel has been torn. What terrible luck! We still won't be worn. Our problem is solved with a simple blue patch. We'll travel together, me and my match. Can you find the match for each sock? Here we have the colorful stripes and the spots and our pair of socks and the dinosaurs and the dirty, grimy pair. And this is a really neat book because it has some activities in the back of it that you can do with socks and matching. I have another flannel board, and it's called A Hunting We Will Go Sock Version. Are you ready? Here's our fox. A hunting we will go, a hunting we will go. We'll catch a fox, and we'll put him in orange socks. And then we'll let him go. Let me see, will our fox wear some other colored socks? Let's see. A hunting we will go, a hunting we will go. We'll catch a fox, and we'll put him in gray socks. And then we'll let him go. What other colors? Let's see. A hunting we will go, a hunting we will go. We'll catch a fox, and we'll put him in yellow socks. And then we'll let him go. Oh, and our fox has a friend, so we'll give her a pair of socks too. A hunting we will go, a hunting we will go. We'll catch a fox, and we'll put her in green socks. And then we'll let them go. I hope they have fun playing in their socks. I have one more story to read, and it's called New Socks, and it was written by Bob Shea, and it is read with the permission of Little Brown and Company. New socks. I got new socks too. Notice anything different about me? Nope, it's not my glasses. I got new socks. These new socks fit just right. Orange must be my size. Not really, I just like orange. Hey, new socks, I'd like you to meet someone. Wood floor. Whoa! Look out, new socks are just warming up. Watch me not be scared on the big kid slide. In new socks. Good job, brave new socks. Good job. Ha, watch this. This is what I look like when I'm thinking really hard. In new socks. I know. These new socks really are great. Okay. Last one. Ready? Bring. Hello, Leon here. Oh, hello, Mr. President. New socks? Yes, you heard correctly. This afternoon? Why, yes, I do believe we're free. Did you hear that, new socks? We're going to meet the president. What can't these new socks do? Now I'm all excited to get pants. The end. We have a craft this week, and it's a DIY sock puppet. And in your kit, you'll get your sock and a little piece of poster board to glue inside so you can make the mouth, and a nose and some eyes and a little tuft of hair. And then, if you want, while you're at home, you can use other things from home to add more decorations. You can use markers to give him some stripes. If you have extra yarn, you can give him some longer hair. You could give him more spots with the pom-poms, however you want to decorate your sock puppet. And then you can do a puppet theater. And the last thing we have to do is our goodbye song. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. And you can pick up your craft kit in the children's department or at the drive-up window and join us next Thursday for story time with Miss Alice.